Hey yo, what's up guys? I came with a free course. I'm gonna quickly explain in this introduction video what will be in this free course. So basically this free course contains two parts, the text and the videos. The videos will be all about technical analysis. This will not be like a full course or whatever. This will be just simply explain what is what, like what do I use, basic technical analysis basically. And the text will be about what is cryptocurrency? What is Bitcoin? What is fiat currency? What is inflation? What are use cases? And all that stuff. Why do you need this as an investor if you, for example, want to invest in a cryptocurrency? You have to do your research about it. You have to understand the use cases, the roadmaps, and so on and so on. So that's what basically this free course is based on, to give you already a glimpse and like a clear view of what is what and how to research and how to start small technical analyses and maybe already implement them in your demo trading or your live trading or whatever. So yeah, that's basically what this free course will be. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and yeah, take care. Peace.